we want to do is go into the chanting of the Pakua, reinforce the Pakua, and call the forces in to our practice. So the practice, once you establish the front Pakua, you can start it to, when you spin. Tai Chi is always means spinning. So you spiral. And after that, very simple, when you have the front Pakua, all you have to do, make a copy to the back. So you copy a Pakua to the back, and you copy a Pakua to the right, and a copy a Pakua to the left. So you have 4 Pakua, and you have these 4 Pakua spinning. If you think it's simple, like the earth are rotating around itself, 1,000 miles per hour, we are on the earth. So the Pakua is spinning like the earth spinning, rotating, spinning, and it draws energy. And later on, the Pakua is spin like a planet spin. Okay? Spin like a planet spin. We're creating the collection point is like the moon. So you think the Pakua like the planet and the collection point like the moon. We have 1 moon, but the Jupiter have about 11, and now they go up to 14 moons. So it's moving around on the planets. And we fuse the Pakua front and back into the center, and you fuse the left and right Pakua into the center, and you fuse the collection point into the center. Okay? The 4 Pakua, front, back, left, right, draw the energy to the center. You fuse the collection point to the Pakua spinning, back Pakua spinning, and draw all the energy to the center of your body. And this happens the same thing in the heart set level, 4 Pakua spinning, the brain level, 4 Pakua spinning. Okay. Like a diamond drawing energy, and in the beginning, it's spinning, rotating itself, like the earth spinning around itself. And when it spins, it started to rotating around, like the planets. So you think your 3 center like a solar system, the center like the sun, and the spin and the planet spin around it. The planet spin around it, and that's how it works. And in the Tao belief, this is a very strong protection, very strong protection for you. Heart Pakua and face Pakua. The face Pakua is very important also, okay? And the face Pakua, when you impose it, in the Tao belief that the spirit don't want to bother with you because they recognize the Pakua. The Pakua like a maze. When you cast them in there and you swim them down, they cannot get out because the energy patterns stay there and they cannot get out of it. That means you trap them forever. Spirit, you cannot kill them. You cannot shoot them. They die once, they cannot die twice. So you shoot them, bomb them, whatever, they don't afraid of it. But if you trap them with the Pakua, they're afraid of it because they will not get out forever. Okay? Like in the West, you see that the genie bottle. You know, you get the genie in the bottle and you put the bottle, you cover the bottle, and that's it. You know? And you can never get out. So the Pakua also used to clean out everything. For example, your house, your car, your statue, or anything object. You project the Pakua in the face, in the dantian, in the heart, expand it big, and impose on it, and you call the 8 forces. Kan, Li, Chen, Tui, Kun, Ken, Sun, Chen. And you impose the forces in, and you call the lightning, thunder, and wind. Clean them out. Water, fire, lightning, thunder, and wind. Okay? And it will clean it out and protect it. And that is the practice that people believe that very strong. This Pakua symbol being widely used the most in the world, because Chinese people and the feng shui now is so much. So they have different kind of Pakua. The mirror come out, reflecting, the mirror go in, drawing energy. So reflect negative energy out, drawing good energy. And that is, we have to train our mind. And develop the Pakua and say, only good energy will be allowed to be entered. That's all. So your mind set up, your frequency set up. I will not allow any negative energy to enter me. That's all. And when you meditate, you always think a big Pakua cover you and 8 forces come to you and protecting you. And that in the West, you always think, we always say angel, angel protecting you. But sometimes angel may get busy, so many people around the world. So, Taoism said, protect yourself is important. Okay? Now, when you get a Pakua and it spin in the head, around, it's very important protections and draw energy. If you look from the top, it spin. It spin like that. Okay, look from the top. Okay? And that is the Pakua spin. And you develop the heart center, and by smiling to the heart and feel the compassion fire burning, love and compassion fire burning. And so you breathing good energy to the heart, and you started to feel the heart activate and compassion. And after you feel all the energy from the good virtue to the heart, you can expand to the universe, combined with the unconditional love from the universe down to you, and the heart Pakua activate. And the fire, guarding against your fire, very important. Think the fire of compassion are burning in your heart. Dantian fire are burning, and the Pakua are spinning. So in the Taoism said, guard against your treasure. Guard against your treasure. So all good energy from the organ can come in up to the heart and blend into one good energy we call compassion energy. Okay? Different energy like the kidney, liver, spleen, pancreas, all come to the heart and blend into one good energy. And the heart, so you guarding, feel the heart are warm, like fire burning, compassion in your heart. Okay, compassion in your heart. So that we call guarding against the burning compassion fire. Guarding it. Make sure the fire don't go on, don't go out. So you have to consciously aware of the fire burning. And finally, you can feel that unconditional love from the universe coming back down to you. And orgasm. So you smile to the sexual organ, feel orgasm, and let this orgasm into different organs and blend in the heart. Multi-orgasm blend in the heart, expand to the universe, and have a cosmic orgasm, and bring this cosmic orgasm down to you. Okay? So we have the 4 Pakua, heart 4 Pakua, brain 4 Pakua, and so 3 Dantian, upper Pakua, middle, lower, all spinning in the 3 Pakua. So 3 Pakua are spinning. So you see the 3 Pakua spinning, and eventually it goes more. You can have many levels. Above your crown, 1 Pakua 4 Pakua spinning. Below your feet, another Pakua spinning. In each center, you can have Pakua spinning. And it becomes, when it spins very fast, and it becomes a vehicle, a spaceship. You can see that expand, bigger, and faster, and become a spaceship, and become a vehicle, and you take off. And that's what the Tao believe, the practice that way. The axis is very important, because our Earth tilts toward the North Star, and the Southern Cross tilts toward the South, so we have one axis. So you bring an axis from the top, go right to your crown, down, And all the Pakua are spinning in this axis. It spin. So when you practice, it spin. Okay? And the microcosm is spin this way. And the North Star pull. Okay? So oftentimes the force are different. So like when I sit down, when the force coming, it shake me. And it shake me. Or it stop my breath. My breath stop, throat cut, and breathing. And after that, it pull me. Sometimes the North Star, when I wear the North Star, so the whole important part is few different force. The earth force, the spinning of the earth, the liquid, the core are spinning, affecting our Dantian. The North Star pull, affecting us, pull up into the universe. So when you feel the force pull you, you effortlessly. And the way to do is relax, calm, that's it. And let go. Okay? So this one is the Pakua from the heart, getting so big. Actually, love and compassion. It radiating out so big, and covering your whole body. Okay? And it protecting you. And you feel that two forces, negative and positive, spinning and covering your whole body, and you become like a shield being protecting in these two forces. And that generates from the heart. Heart can generate very strong electromagnetic field and cover the whole body, covering the whole body. Okay? And so when you have it, you can cast it out, projecting very big, and feel the energy coming in to you. And the Pakua itself only allow good energy to enter. So it's like protecting shield around you, and it only allow the good energy to enter you. So it's the mind that you're projecting our energy, that only good energy will be allowed, and the negative energy will not allow. Negative thought, negative energy will not be allowed to enter you. Like you tuning your radio frequency. If you want a classic, good healing music, you turn to one frequency. If you want rock and roll music, you turn to another frequency. So they're different frequencies. It's your mind that you work on it. So when we doing that, we started to creating the collection point. Perineum, one blue ball. Heart, one red ball. Right hand side, green ball. Left hand side, white ball. And the sacrum, green ball, a blue ball. Opposite the heart, red ball. On the back here is, on the right hand side on the back is white and green. And you draw them into the center. Okay? And turn the senses inwardly. And turn the ear to the kidney, tongue to the heart, eye to the liver. Let's start with the sparkle breathing in a sitting position. So inhale, exhale. Inhale, chin down, your chest stick out and the spine curve, and exhale. Inhale, and exhale. Inhale, and exhale. Inhale, and exhale. Now the crane neck. Stretch your neck out very far away. And roll the stomach into your lumbar. Navel touch the spine. Feel your lumbar and your spinal cord loose. Now rocking. Rock from your hip. Just feel it rock from the spine. Make your spine very light and loose. and nod your head riding on a horse. Rock it until your spinal cord are loose and warm, energy coming out.